Okay, sir.
Good morning, everybody. I, Dr. D. Sachindarna, professor in MBA department. Today, my concept is marketing. What is marketing? What are the functions of the marketing? Marketing, dictionary meaning is offering, creating exchange, negotiation between the buyer and seller is called marketing. Introduction part. Marketing has become such an integral part of life that can be immersed even a day without the experience of the process. Its emergency as a management discipline. Definition. According to Philip Kotler defined, marketing is defined as a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and value with others is called marketing. Philip Kotler, father of marketing management. Philip Kotler, father of marketing management, he says that it's purely meant for creating, exchanging product of value and things is called marketing. Marketing is the process of getting right product to the right place in the right commodity quantity at the right price at the right time is called marketing. How many rights is there? Okay, once again, marketing is the process of getting right product, right place in the right quantity at the right price and the right time is called marketing. According to the American Marketing Association defined, marketing is the performance of business activity that directs the flow of goods and services from produce to the end customer. According to American Association referred flow of goods services from company to the end customer. Produce to the end customer is called marketing. According to marketing is a organizational function and set up process for creating, communicating and delivering value to the customer and managing customer relations in way that benefit of the organization and its stakeholder is called marketing. Generally, marketing, it is a place where buyer and seller exchange something in a given a point of time is called market. Example, Amalapuram vegetable market is there. How many different vegetables are there? Different people come forward, can afford to buy whatever he or she want, they can afford to buy it. They can enjoy a lot. That is depend upon the individual perception, individual financial capacity. That is called marketing. Not only vegetable market, any market, cotton, textile, gold. What are the big bazaar? What are the Victory Bazaar? What are the CMR shopping mela? All the things are meant for only marketing. Marketing functions the following the points. Buying involves both marketing and customers. The marketing management must know about the type of customer and the consuming habit, demand, buying pattern. For the customer, the buying function includes a consideration of price, quantity, quality, kind of style. That is called buying. Buying, what are the getting in terms of payment. Getting in terms of payment is called buying. Dictionary meaning is we are the buyers. Each and every customer, mainly consumers, can afford to buy it. Example, human beings. Example, ex-girl, morning wake up, not only girl, every human being, tiffin is guarantee, snacks is guarantee, or lunch is compulsory, dinner is guarantee, again coffee, tea is guarantee. It is a consumption pattern. Most of the money would like to spend out of 100%, 70% of money would like to spend only consumption pattern. Is also known as buying. Okay, understand, boys and girls. Again, selling is creating a demand for product. Selling functions product planning and development, find out or locating, again demand, creation, again negotiation, terms and conditions. What is the selling? Selling is also known as a person who sells. Selling means a person who sells means the entrepreneur or businessman, sales girl, saleswoman only because of selling. Sales department is also known as marketing. Is the best definition. Marketing is a nice job mela in each and every country worldwide. Most of the 80% jobs meant for only MBA marketing students, only marketing jobs only. Not a finance HR. Not critic, finance HR. But if it is the finance boy who got a job in a MNC company, capital IQ, enjoy a lot. If not so, that fellow will come to marketing field and enter into the marketing job. A monthly got 30,000, 25,000 with two-wheeler vehicle provided by the company, providing all the TA, DA and everything. That is called selling. Transportation involve the creation of place utility in order to have value of goods must fix in the transporting from place to place, from one place to another place. Transportation, we know very well. Transportation, the final product will send to from the industry point to the ultimate customer is called transportation. Classified road transport, railway transport, water transport, air transport and international level transport is a guarantee in the final product. At the present thing happened, corona time, no transport facility, everything is international level, local wise, national wise, all the four-wheelers closed, no rail, no AC buses, everything closed. The people stuck it out there in the different places in the world wise, Indian wise, Andhra Pradesh people there in the other city people there in the another city. So that is called transport is a must in the marketing function. Next one is storage. Storage means the action of storing. It is considered which is the storing finished goods properly without any damage until they are protected. That example storage, example FIC, Food Corporation of India company providing all the giddings, what are the coconuts, what is the final product, raw material stored in one place. Best example is Konaseema. It is a place where coconut industry connected there in the Ambazipet area. Most of the industries store their final product that should be exported from Ambazipet to the other states and other countries also exported. One of the biggest revenue in the Andhra Pradesh level, mainly in East Godavari, biggest asset of the all these storage points. Not only coconut, again final agricultural paddy that should be stored in the different places. Again, next one is standardization. Standardization is nothing but quality, quantity, brand, quality product maintained. Standardization involves maintain the uniform size, quality standard throughout the country. Standardization assumes the quality. It promotes uniformity in the product. I want to talk about quality product. What about quality? Quality means it is a total quality management. Not only product, individual employee must be maintain the quality character, quality life, quality skill, attitude, mental capabilities must be concerned with the organization. So that organization selected only talent fellow. That is the standardization is nothing but quality, is nothing but standard. Okay, grading. Grading means separation of or inspecting product according to the established by the standards. Grading provides the best comparison of the similar product. Grading is the productivity important agricultural product like milk, cotton, wheat and textile. And grading is classification. Number one grade, number two, number three, number one product. For example, agriculture product rice. Get the Mysore product is a number one product. The people they can want to consuming only number one product, not at all compromise. Again, finance. Finance is the blood of the organization. Credit is necessary in the market. It plays an important role in the retail trader, particularly in the sale of the consumer goods. Finance, the management of the large amount of money is called finance. Finance is the example is. Finance is the blood of the organization. We can compare human body, blood, organization. Body is functioning because of blood pumping the heart, the blood baby flow from top to hours together per day, thousands of kilometers, miling, running. At the same time, organization of their own finance facility, finance, loan, long-term loan, short-term loan, medium-term, everything is providing by the finance facility. Marketing information, personal must study the trends of the market, demand, supply, price related to the market information. Securing the using marketing information, make a good information management. So finally we conclude that marketing functions classified the following the diagram. Marketing classified three categories. The first one is involving owner transfer. Second one is involving physical distribution. Third one is facilitating A and B functions. First one is ownership functions. Buying, selling is the functions of exchange. What is the physical function? Transportation, storage. Last one is standardization, grading, packing, sales membership, advertisement, sales promotion, risk bearing, marketing research, and marketing intelligence. Last one is finance. This is the one of the flow chart of the marketing functions. How many points? Here 2 plus 2, 4 plus 10, 14 points. It can be seen that above the diagram clearly mentioned, classified three categories, A, B, C. Okay, we can understand. So thank you one and all, boys and girls. Thank you.